Hello, my name is Benjamin and I'm a marketing specialist at Nicgrade. In today's lesson, we'll teach you how to create emails and web forms to use in your automated marketing campaigns. To create your first email, from your dashboard, navigate to Design Studio and click on Email. Enter the name of your email. For example, greetings. Enter the email subject. For instance, thank you. Now choose the sender. Let's say James Bond is sending out this particular email. Now you have the option to allow reply to sender, or if you choose so, you can have some other email that the replies will come to. For the content of the email, it can be either text, HTML, or our email builder. Let's choose it. We offer numerous templates to use in your emails. For instance, let's choose Yelena. Click Continue. We then find ourselves on the template page, which is already pre-generated for you. You can tamper with the template settings by changing the width, background color, changing the padding, or adding several elements. To add an element, just do drag and drop. Let's say we've added 2 sections and a button, and some image to be used with the text. You can easily delete the elements by clicking Delete Section button. We can also clone or edit elements that are already present on the template. For example, we can change this text here. Let's say have a nice day instead. Once you have done editing your template, you can send a test version of email. Click on Send Test and input the email that you want to send it to. Click Send and the email should be delivered to your email address. You can also preview the email on a web version or on mobile version. Once you're done, click on the Save button and exit the email creation. You now see the details of the email that you have just created. In the left-hand side section, you can see the template itself. In the middle, you can see the creation date as well as the subject, from whom the email is being sent, the email address, and all the data that you've input so far. In the right section, you can see the statistics of the email, how many emails were open, how many clicks, the email open rate and email click rate. If you need to change any details, click on Edit Details. If you need to change the template itself, click on Open in Builder button. Now that we have created our email, let's proceed to create a web form. Click on Create button and choose Form. Enter the form name, for instance, Contacts. And you can choose either the Nicgrade form or a form already existing on your website. Click on Create. As with email previously, here you can see the form details, how it looks like, when it was created, and its statistics. To edit the form, let's open it in the builder. You can edit your form by dragging and dropping values from the left column to the form. You can then edit or delete any element. Let's say we'll add a phone number and edit the element. Let's change the name just to phone. Placeholder is the text that will display in the field. You can also enter a tooltip, and you can denote this field to be required. You can also tamper with the width, and you can enter the default value. Once you're done editing, click on Save. Once you have finished editing your form, click on Get Code button. Copy this code and enter it to any page on your website that you desire to. for instance here. Once it's done, click on Close Builder button. This concludes our lesson on how to create web forms and emails for remarketing campaigns. You can see all the elements that you have created in this column here. And in our next lesson, we'll teach you how to use your web forms and emails to send emails to the users that have submitted their details on your website.